Students, those who says good evening, I am also saying good evening. Online students, am I audible? Am I audible, students? Okay. Now, let's start the discussion. Previously, what is our discussion? All of the students. Okay. What was our last class discussion? Man, what concept? Anonymous functions. Okay. What is the anonymous function purpose? To perform instant operation. To perform instant operation. Which keyword is used for defining anonymous function? For which one? Lambda. Lambda. What is the syntax? Variable name is equal to lambda params list colon expression. Can we use return statement there in the anonymous? No. Automatically it will return the value. It will evaluate and then it will return the value. So today we will go for one more concept. Very, very important again. What is it? Functions I'm going. There I'm talking about index. I will open it. Index I will open it. There we have, sit in the line. Don't sit in a backside girls, two girls. Don't sit zigzag manner. Like normal distribution, don't sit. Like a uniform distribution, you must sit in the class. Okay. Boys, both the boys in the backside come and sit in the front side. Adjust in the front sides. Most of the boys went to underground. Girls are okay. Boys went to underground. Huh? Boys went to underground. So come to the point. Now I'm going to introduce today special functions. I'm going to use it. Very, very important again. Very, very important. So let me start with anonymous functions. Anonymous functions. Special functions in Python. Okay. So there I'm going to take about special functions. Shall we start off? Right. So here I'm going to take what are the special functions in Python? See guys, in Python programming, we have three special functions, three special functions, three special functions. Okay, they are number one. What is that? Number one, filter. Number two called what? Map. Number three called what? Reduce. Very, very important. Very, very important. Filter. Spell out how many functions are there? Three. Number one, filter off. Next, map off. Reduce off. Spell out again. Filter off. Map off. Reduce off. Online students. You also speak out. Keeping silent is not correct. You need to speak out. Three functions. Filter off. Map off. Reduce off. I need to go for it. Now I'm going to say filter off. Filter off. Just I'm going to discuss. I'm going to discuss. Filter off. I'm going to discuss. So I say I'm going to take up what is the use of filter off. I just want to discuss. Very, very simple. Answer my question, students. What is filter? What is the meaning of filter? For only one student is responding. I said write the functions in the chat window. Only Farhan is writing in the chat window. Others are sleeping or what, I don't know. Only Farhan is writing the information. She is following my instructions carefully. Others are doing what, I don't know. So others are doing what I don't know. So what is the filter? English meaning of filter? Hmm? Filter. Hmm? Filter. Filter. Good. Separating. What? No, when somebody says the answer, don't look at them. When somebody says the answer, you listen only sound. Who is that person saying? I'm not saying who is that saying. Like that, if you look at others will fear a lot. If you are talented, you answer it. Otherwise, you listen the sound. Say, what is the filter? Hemanath is saying. Hemanath is saying. Applying some additional object to it. Okay. Wrong answer. Krishna Kumari. Removing unuses of things. Okay. Okay. Next. Girls and online offline boys. What is filter? Huh? You searched in internet, right? I understand. Midnight 12 o'clock biryani, how you can say the answer. Removing impurities. Yeah, good. Nice. Good answer. How do you know that impurities? How? Easy. I'll go for it. I'll go to mango fruits. There are a lot of mangoes are there. How do you know? Purity means you have some parameters in your brain, correct? Purity means some parameters are there in your brain or not? Yes. And you have some parameters in your brain. What is pure mango? What is impurity mango? You know, some block spots and everything. So good mango means you have something. Bad mango, not good mango means some have something. When I'm searching in my iterable object means what? A group of mangoes. It's called iterable object. When I'm picking one mango, I will decide it is good mango or not good mango. Good mango means returns true, put it in the bag. Not good mango means search for another one. This process will be continued until my total number of mangoes filtered or not. What is filter? Filtering, as online students said, and then our students said, removing impurities. That means removing unwanted items from group of iterable object and taking the required items. That is called what? Filtering. Example, when group of students will go for an interview, the interviewer will check every student knowledge. The student will be exposing their answer, exploring their answers to the interviewer. Interviewer is satisfied with your answer. If filtered to be considered as selected. If he did not satisfy with your answer, he says what? Not considered. So filtered means selected. Not filtered means rejected. Not filtered means what? Impurities. Selected means what? Purities. Not selected means impurities. Like some of the girls are thinking, water filter, water filter. What it removes? Impurities. What it gives? Purities. Something like that. Who will decide purity or impurity? One function I will write it. One function I will write it. That function will decide purity now, impurity now. If it is a purity returns true, if it is an impurity returns what? False. To decide purity or impurity, it requires a lot of values or not. Lot of values are present in Python in which object? Iterable object. That iterable object can be a Python traditional object, sequence type, dict type, list type, set type, ND array type also, numpy. Correct or not? Those things are called what? Iterable object. Send to whom? Function. All the times it will send one by one, one by one, one by one. Who will send? Filter. And that function will decide what to filter, what not to filter. To filter returns true, not to filter returns what? False. So I'm writing syntax. Syntax I'm writing. Online students, syntax I'm writing. Variable name is equal to filter of. Come on, can you expect it? Can you expect now? I'll write a general example. I'll write a general example. A company, a company want to take the students. How they will take students? Come on, ma. Tell me what is that? Hmm. Faster. What is this now? Interviewer, right or not? Interviewer. Interviewer. Comma what next? Students. List of what? Students. List of what? Students. Here I am taking interviewer, comma what? List of students. List of students. These are list of students is nothing but which object in Python ma? Iterable object. Correct or not? Iterable object. Each company people will send what? Each student will send to whom? Interviewer will do some questions they will ask. If they have 5 questions, if you answered 3 questions, you will consider it as a true candidate. True candidate. Out of, if you did not reach these 3 questions to answer, he will consider as a false candidate. If he says true, company will put it into left side variable. If he say what false, that will be neglected. Are you able to follow? How company is? What company will do? Select the first student and send it to whom? Interviewer will say what? True. That element is called filtered. Kept into which variable? Left side variable. Company will second the second student to whom? Interviewer. Interviewer will say again true. That will be kept in where? Variable name. Company will send the third student to whom? Interviewer will say false. What will happen? Neglected. Not filtered. A company will send the fourth candidate. Fourth candidate to whom? Interviewer. Interviewer says what? False again. What will happen? Neglected. Not filtered. Fifth candidate is sent by the company to the interviewer. Fifth candidate is true. Kept into where? Variable name. The company will repeat how many times? 50 students are there. 50 times that value will send it to this interviewer or not. And some of them are true, some of them are false. Whatever is true that are filtered, whatever is false that are not filtered. Understood, students? Well, now I am going to say, in this case, I am writing here what? Filter. What is this now? What is this called? Function name. What is that? Function name. What is this now? Which object? Iterable object. Now you tell me how I can go for answering my question. Start. How the filter function starts working. Come on. Filter function takes what value? First value of iterable object to what? Function name. Function name will be containing my problem statement. That function returns true. That element will be filtered and kept into left side variable. First thing, what filter will do? Take the first value of filter object. Send to whom? Function name. Function name is taking the value, returns true. Element will be filtered, means kept into the left side variable. Who will do this 1-2 operations? Filter function. Take the second element again. What the function name is doing? Returns false. False means what? Neglected. Neglected means what? Not filtered. Third time element is coming. What it is returning now? True. True means what? Put it into left side. This process will be repeated until total elements in the iterable object completed. This is one of the most important regularly asking question. Understood? What is the use of filter function? Filter function is used for filtering out some elements by applying to the function from list of iterable object, removing unwanted values, considering required elements, considering interested elements, and then removing unwanted elements. Who will do that kind of thing? Filter will do. Are you able to follow? Simple. In this iterable object, apples are there, mangoes are there, strawberries are there, so many fruits are there. I asked a filter to filter only mangoes. What I will do? This is a collection of what? Fruits. What my function will do? Will filter only what? Mango. When first fruit is coming, if it is looking like a mango, mango properties, yellow, no black spots, yellow, you are writing the properties of mango. If it is satisfied, it will be filtered. If apple is coming red in color, it will be neglected. Next is coming something, it is neglected. If it is considered, it is going on filtering. I think you are following me. Can I go for an example? What is this function name can be? The function name can be either normal function or it can be anonymous function. You know already how many functions are there in Python? Come on, two. One is normal function, one more is anonymous function. Under normal functions, two types. Predefined functions. One more is called what? Programmer defined functions. Yesterday, max function. Have you seen max function? Have you seen K.V.R. max function? K.V.R. max function is what? Programmer defined. What the max function is called? Predefined. Predefined. Like that anonymous function also you can define. Normal functions is for what? Big operations, not one line instructions we can do. Anonymous functions is for what? One line instructions. Am I able to? Am I clear for you? So coming to the point of it, if anybody asks you what are the types of functions, you have to tell two types. One is normal function, anonymous function. Normal functions two types: predefined, programmer defined. Definitely they will ask you what is the predefined, what is the programmer defined, what is the anonymous function. They will go to in detail. You have to bring that candidate to the programming. Interior is just like a doll in your hands if you know subject. If you don't know now, you will be the doll for that guy. He will play with you. Correct. Suppose if I go to an interview, I will play with interior. I will bring to my line. Which line? Programming line. Programming means everybody will fear. I don't know why. Correct. So that's why, student, you be perfect in the coding. Shall I go for the example? Look at, I'm taking, look at LST is equal to online students 10 minus 23, 20 minus 30 minus 40, comma 50, 60, 0, 12. This is my data. Obtain only positive values. Question number one, obtain only, only which values? Positive values. Obtain only positive values. Come on, tell me, how do you write it? Obtain only positive values means what? Mangoes are there, apples are there. Mangoes are there, apples are there. Obtain only apples. Is it not filtering? Obtain only positive values. Is it not called filtering? Correct. Now, come on. Already we did filtering this concept. Already we applied a concept of list comprehension. List comprehension. What is this now? Already I said this example also. How I said this example? Value, value. For value in where? LST, LST. If value greater than what? 0. This concept I already said. Is it not filtering positive values? Already I said this. But another alternative is what? Filtering. Alternatively, this also you can use. Modern facility this is available from beginning of the Python. Already I said this. And alternatively, we can use this also. Because in data science level, you will come across. That's why I want to tell you that also in the class. So let's start now. Come on, tell me, how do you write it? What is this now? Come on, guys. What is this variable name? What is the variable name? K.V.R. is equal to, come on, filter. What is this now? POS, comma, what is this? LST. Simple. What is the function name? POS. What is LST? Iterable object. Come on, this POS, I will define DEF POS, POS. Now, what is the filter function? I said how it will work out. Filter function takes the first value of LST, send to whom? What is the first value of LST? 10, 10, 10. Send to which function? So PVM will go to which place? POS. By carrying which value? 10. So I need to hold the 10 here or not? I need to hold that value. Here I am writing value, value. Are you following that? Now, are you able to understand, students? If value greater than what? 0. Value greater than 0. Say return what? Value. Return value. Return value. Now I am saying here, else. Next, sorry, return value, no students. Return true. Return true. Else I need to say what? Return what? False. Return false. Start with. This is my LST. This is my LST. Here I am going to take it. This is the main program now. This is the main program now. Start here. Very, very easy. There I am going to stick. First value of LST, send it to whom? Filter. It goes to where? POS. POS is going to contain what value? What is the first value? 10. 10 greater than 0. True. Returns. True. True means the value 10 placed at which side? Here we are. Good. Apply the same process to rest of the elements. What is the second value of LST? Minus 23. PVM goes to where? POS. What is the value of val? Minus 23. Minus 23 greater than 0. False means what? Return false. Is it filtered or neglected? Neglected means not filtered. What is the next value of LST? 20. Go to where? POS. POS. Carrying which value? 20. 20. 20 greater than 0. True. True means what? Filtered. Spell out that. Filtered. Kept into where? KVR. Already KVR contains what value, ma? 10. What value now? 20. Good. Next value of LST? Minus 30. Go to where? POS. What is the value of value? Minus 23. Minus 23 greater than 0. False. Is it filtered or neglected? Very good. Next value of LST? Minus 40. Minus 40. Go to POS. Minus 40 greater than 0. Return what? False. Not filtered. Next value, please. 50. 50. 50 go there. 50 greater than 0. True. True means what? Filtered. Like that, this will be continued until all the elements are over or not. It returns true means filtered. False means neglected. Neglected means not filtered. Got it? Huh? Good. Now, students, all the elements are completed. Now, KVR is containing which elements? Filtered elements. KVR contains what? Filtered elements. See, students, here KVR contains filtered elements. Filtered elements. And KVR is a variable. It is an object of type class filter. Of type what? Filter. Filter. KVR is an object which contains filtered elements. But that is an object of which class? Filter. Simple. I'll go to I'll go to good day. Good day of I'll get it. Good day factory and then list of commodities. And good day company is going to supply the product and it is releasing what? Biscuit packets will come or not? That biscuit packet is an object of which class, which company only? Good day. That means filter function gives you the filtered elements in the form of an object. That object is of which type only? Filter. That is known as what? Today onwards, you remember that are called factory functions. We can call factory functions. Factory functions. Spell out once. Factory functions. What do you mean by factory? It's a production unit. Factory means it is a production unit. It will produce same company products, correct? Good Day Biscuit Packet Company will go for releasing Good Day Biscuit Packet objects. You say Dell laptops. Laptop function will give you what objects? Dell laptop objects only. Correct or not? Lenovo is going to be called one type of function which will give you Lenovo objects only. HP laptops will give you what? Objects. HP laptop companies only will be coming. So a function releasing the object of same, it is going to be called as what? Factory function. Will you understand? Are you getting? So what is the factory function? A factory function returns an object to itself. Is called what? Factory function. Important. Okay. Now, KVR is an object of which type? Filter. So, up to here, you try to go for doing the answer now. Let us go to PyCharm. Let us go to PyCharm. Online students, did you understand the meaning of factory? Hmm? Only girls are responding, students. Boys are not responding properly. Today, when I am coming to the class, on the way when I am coming, I got one phone call. And who gave that number? I don't know. Maybe these college people may be given, intermediate college people may be given. What happens is that person is from something he said, college deco or something, some consultancy people. They called, and they said, and we are providing best colleges for MSET to make your child to join in the colleges. They said, okay, because I am coming on the way, boring, I want to speak. They are speaking. What they are speaking, I just want to say what is their information. I said, okay, tell me what is your thing. Best colleges they are saying. Okay, tell me some best college names. I know total Hyderabad colleges, what is best and what is not best. They are saying some college names. Out of 200 colleges, he is saying 198 college name, 192 college name, something like that. They are thinking that opposite person don't know like that they are thinking. And might be they have seen in their life like that only. So he's saying some name. Okay, I'm peacefully listening. Okay, good, good. I'm not saying even English word also I'm not using. In Telugu I'm speaking. Pakka Telugu I'm speaking. When I speak English, you will recognize also. You may be educator like. I'm speaking Pakka Telugu. So they are also speaking Pakka Telugu. Okay. So are you ready to, what is your budget to make your child to join in this college? So college will follow according to our budget. Huh? According to college budget, so student has to follow now. Generally, according to college fees, student has to follow. That is called good college. According to student, they will adjust the fees and all those things. Means it nothing is there. Correct or not? So, finally said, I asked, okay, best college, okay, manch college, is very good college. I'm saying in English to you what he spoke in Telugu. I said, hmm, in Telugu, I asked, do you have placements? He's saying placement guarantee. He's using the word guarantee. Guarantee means what? The moment you join first year, fourth year you will come with offer letter only. That's not a guarantee. So, guarantee is saying. So, finally he said, you come and pay the fees in our office only. We will go and pay in the college. He's saying you need not to pay the fees in the college. For that college, he's saying yearly 2,50,000 it seems. 2,50,000. Well, donation also 5,000, 5 lakhs extra. He's saying like that. If a normal person, after listening, is saying one more, like that, he is saying so many with a 10 lakh donation, with the fees, all those colleges. He said, okay, everything is over. You come tomorrow and pay the fees, he said. Then I started. See, Babu, Madhu Babu. I started like this. Cheater Babu, I said. Cheater Babu. Cheater Babu means, you open the TS website, see the 2023 counseling colleges. Total information is available. There you see, in English only I said, you see everything. What is the first college ranking you see? What is the first college, second college, etc. The college you said, including the number also is said. Because I studied the total counseling process, what happened. So he said that whatever you spoke, I recorded. Because if the normal human being, normal person, you will cheat now. Because we know everything about what is the college's information, and you are cheating the people. And I recorded everything. If I put a complaint on you, your college deco will become what? Unseen. Deco means what? See. In Hindi, I think so that is. So deco opposite is invisible. Your college is becoming invisible. If I launch this complaint, it will better to stop this publicity among the people. If a person don't know, what will happen? They will go and join now. Because nobody will join. People are aware of it. But still, they should not do that wrong marketing, correct? So any such calls are coming, students, you tell to your relatives and all. You also go to college and inquire over there. You meet the faculties, ask some questions to them, no problem. Ask them. and test them. Then you make your child to, you make your relatives to join. That is you remember it. So come to the point. So like that, everybody want to cheat others, not believing their talent. Like that, people are. Now coming to the point back. Online students, you are listening. So take care of yours. You may get some calls like that, like some calls like what? In Delhi, some lottery is drawn. You got 1 crore rupees and deposit 50 rupees for charges to Hyderabad. Will come and hand over that 1 crore. I got this call in last 2 years back. I said to that guy, okay, no problem. I don't have 50,000 ready now. 1 crore, you said you got it now. Take 50 lakhs to you. Take 50 lakhs. 50,000, why? 50 lakhs, you take it. Come in Jet Airways to Hyderabad. Give me 10 lakhs. Again, take 40 lakhs and go. Immediately disconnected. Like that, people are ready to cheat you. So don't do that. Okay, now? So be aware of it. Learn Python well. Work on your hard working. Okay, start students. Now I'll go to the PyCharm. Now I'll go to this place. Filter example one I'm going to do. Filter example one.py. So, hmm, Farhan. So years ago, I also got WhatsApp message that you won the lottery. Yes. So without I purchased the ticket of lottery, how can I won the lottery? That is the first point, now. Like that. So take care, all of you. Of course, you are very intelligent in that angle. Just I'm telling to you, whatever experiences I got it. So I'm going to take up filter example one.py. What is my concept here? Come to the main program here. See students, what is this now? LST is equal to 10 minus 20, 30 minus 40, minus 50, 60, and the next is called what 60, and then 70, and minus 80, and then middle of it, some zero you write it. Zero you write it. This data you want to go for filtering. Already you got filtered by using what? Comprehension technique. And another technique we are using is called what? Filter. See, mom, filter of POS, comma, what is this? LST. There I'm going to get it. Something like, PS. I'm just writing PS. And what is this POS function name? I need to define. DEF. What is this now? POS. Value is going over there. If, what is this now? Value. Say what? Return true, else say what? Return false. Return false. Return false. I hope you got it. So, see students, PS is an object. Type of PS, students. Type of PS. Tell me, what is the type of PS? I forget. What is the type of PS? Filter. Type of PS is called what? Filter. See, ma, class filter. Class filter. If you print it, here I am writing class filter, class filter. Now, if I go for that, now print the data, it will not print the data student. Content of PS is equal to, and I'm writing PS, it will print memory address only. It will print memory address. At that address, total data is available. So to print the data, convert into what? Come on. Hmm. Convert into what? Convert filter object. Filter object PS into where? List object. Into which object? List object. Do you know how to convert it? PSLST is equal to, come on, list of what? PS. Already I said na conversions. Already I made everything ready, students. Come on here now I am going to say, what is this now? Given list, dot format of what? LST, LST. Next is called what here? Next is called what here? Positive list is equal to positive list colon dot format of what? PS list. PS list. PS list I said. Hmm? PS LST. Okay. Now try to run, guys. You see. Ma? You missed. Oh, okay. Value greater than what? Zero. Okay, good. Okay, mom. Online boys and girls. Right? Done. Are you getting positive values or not? Filtered or not? Yes. Can I do filtering negative values? Can I do filtering negative values? Come on. How do you do the negative filtering values? NS is equal to what? Filter of what? NEZ, comma what? LST. NEZ. What is NEZ? Function name. Come on. DEF. NEZ of what? Value. Come on. Value less than 0. Value less than 0. Come on. Return true. What you want to filter? You take the logic and say true. What you don't want to filter, write under else part. Else what you will write? Return false. Return false. So you are going to get it NS. NS is also which type? Filter only. NS is also filter now. Type of NS. Type of NS is also filter only. Convert that NS into what? Convert that PS into list object. Next is called what? Convert filter object NS into what? Tuple. It is your choice. Tuple or set or whatever you like. But if we go to set, suppose if duplicate negative values are there, if I convert into set, it will take only one negative value will come or not. Better to go for what, either list or tuple. So I'll take what, students? Come on, tuple. No problem, tuple. Okay. Where is it? Oh, no problem. Let it be. Here I'll write it. NS list is equal to NS LST is equal to tuple of NS. Tuple of what? NS. Here I will write it. What values these are? Negative values. Negative list is equal to what is this now? NS list. NS list I am writing. Try to run this example and see that I am getting in tuple or not. I am getting in positive or not. And 0 is also there. 0 is not filtered. Neither positive filtering nor negative filtering. Getting or not? Yes. Now I'm going to enter into further. This is comes under what? Normal function or not? I can also do the same thing by using what? Anonymous function also I can do it. Let me do, students. I'll go to this place. I'll do here like this. See, mom, filter example 2.py. Filter example 2.py. Copy this. I'm taking filter example 2. I'm taking 3.py. 3.py or 2.py. Same thing. It is written normal function. I can do it with what? Anonymous function. How? POS is equal to lambda n or value. What is this now? Value greater than 0. That's all. NEZ is equal to lambda value less than 0. What functions these are? What functions these are? Anonymous functions. Anonymous functions. Anonymous function. Anonymous function. ANO. Anonymous function definition 1. Anonymous function definition 2. Anonymous function definition 2. Got the values greater than, less than. And this part already you have seen it. No need to write. See that, students. Let it be. Try to run this example. Same output came or not? Now, since you already seen, I need not to write this now. And try to see one more time. Filter is returning filter object. Later I'm converting into which type? List type. Can I do directly here? Can I do directly like this? Come on. Yes, I can do directly here. Here also I will do what? Tuple of. Tuple of I can do it. Tuple of I can do it. That time I need not to do this. That time I need not to do this. So here I am writing PS. Here I am writing PS. Here I am writing NS. Are you able to follow? Directly I am doing filtering, converting into list and tuples here. Try to run these, students, getting the same result. Getting the same result. This is about what function? Anonymous function. This is about which function? Normal function. Anonymous function will concise the code, will get it into lesser in memory space and lesser in lines. Ready, following? Last and final. I will do still very small code I want to write it. Let me take up filter example3.py. A small example I want to write it. Question I will write it. Program for filtering positive and what? Negative values from where? List of values. From list of values. I just want to take up. Here I am taking, here I am taking something like this. I am going to take up this entire thing. Filter example3.py, I want to take it. Filter example3.py. There I am taking 3.py. 3.py. There I will carry. Now I'm going to take up. See, let it be as it is. Filter example3.py. There I'm going to remove this entire thing. Leave it. Now you will accept the values dynamically from the keyboard. Dynamically, I took it what values here? Fixed values I got it, right? Dynamically I want to take up. How do you take the values dynamically? LST is equal to, come on guys, int value for value in input of dot what split off. Is it called reading the values or not? There I am saying enter list of values separated by come on space, separated by space. Is it not list of values coming? Content of what? List is equal to content of list is equal to, I am saying what LST. Try to run once. I am saying that 10 minus 20, 300 minus 500, 0 minus 560 minus 67 minus 34 or 56. I got my list of values or not? These values I want to filter. How do you filter? Now I'm going to write the filter, right? There I'm writing filter the positive and what? And negative values. From where? LST. By using what functions? Anonymous function. Everything to be done in single line. Come on. If you are talented, come on. PS is equal to list of lambda. Lambda now. ముద్దుబాబులు ముద్దుబాబులు list of filter. Lambda now. Huh? Lambda now. What should I write? List of filter. Filter. In filter, what is the concept? Function comma iterable object. Which function? Which function? Function can be either normal function or anonymous function. Student, Modhubabu. Here what? POS. POS is what? Normal function. NEG. NEG is a normal function. Next example. POS is an anonymous function. NEG, anonymous function. Such a crystal clear explanation I am giving. How you can understand, students? I am only the full patiently I am explaining to you. Very ultimate patience I am only having. If you don't understand my explanation, then how you can survive? Now tell me, what is this filter first part? Function name. What is the next one? Iterable object. Iterable object. What is my iterable object here? LST. LST. Are you okay? Is brackets closing matching? And what should I write there? Function name. Earlier I wrote what? POS. POS is giving red underline. That means about POS, nowhere else you define. How do you write POS? What is the POS? POS is equal to, put me favorite, lambda. చెప్పు. POS is equal to, say, lambda. Lambda. Value. Value greater than what? 0. Value greater than, see that is gone. This POS, what I will write? Directly can I write this? I can write directly lambda function inside only. This entire thing I can write in this place. professional code. This entire POS I wrote now, POS is equal to this part or not? That I will write it. This I will write it. Gone. I need not write separately. I need not to write separately. Start. How it works? Start everything now. How it works? What filter will do? Filter will take the first value of LST sending to whom? Lambda function. Lambda function is an anonymous function. What is that sending to? Params list value. What is the first value? 10 for example. 10 greater than 0. True. True means what? That 10 converted into, put it into where? Left side variable list. Next minus 20 is coming. Minus 20. Minus 20 greater than 0. False. Neglected. Like that it will be continued until all my elements are over. Beautiful. Print of what? List of which values? Positive values is equal to a list of positive values. Dot format of what? PS. Simple. Run this code. I say here 10, 20, minus 30, minus 40, 400, 500, 400, 500, minus 550, 78, and then 0, 12. What is my data? Is it not called positive values coming or not? Filtering. Getting? Negative values also filter. Come on, negative values. Filter positive values and then. Okay, next. Okay, that is already written. Already written on the top of it. Come on. NS is equal to list of filter of lambda value colon value less than 0 comma LST. What is your specialty, students? You are saying as it is like previous line. Only less than symbol you are changing. Is it your specialty? Next time I will ask you. Next time I will ask you, that time you have to tell the logic. First I will start from here. From here I will start. Don't go and stand in the backside. First time I will start with you. Be careful. So, coming to the point of it. No, no, don't say she's a good girl. Don't say, right? Good girl she is. Well, both of you trying to target her because she's good girl. Both of you are friends and targeting. Don't do that. She's good girl. Okay, ma? Don't fear because of these two girls. Huh? Don't fear when Python is here. Okay? Don't. Friends and all friends. Okay? Hmm. Don't feel. So don't try to say to them. See on the class. No chit chatting in the class. Now, look at look at now here. See this now. I'll take care. And did I print that value sum? List of what values? Negative values. List of negative values. List of negative values. What is this now? NS. NS. So here you print. So 10 minus 20 minus 30 40 50 minus 67 minus 78 minus 1 0 34 and then 67 minus 67. See this now. I got it. Positive values and I got negative values. And 0 is also there. 0 is neither filtered here nor filtered over there. Getting or not? This is the way how you can filter the data. Understood? So coming to the point back, this is I did everything in single line only. Did you understand these two lines? Easy. Okay now, online students, are you comfortable with this? Is it clear about all these things? Okay. Now I'm going to enter into the further. I'll move to the further. Open the notes. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will accept list of values. Which will accept list of values. Which will accept list of values. Which will accept what? List of values. List of numerical values. Right? List of numerical values. And obtain positive even numbers. Positive even numbers. Important. Positive even numbers. Positive even numbers. Positive even numbers. There are so many other negative even numbers, positive even numbers, odd numbers, negative odd numbers. So many are there. But I want what only positive even numbers I want. Positive even numbers I want. This is the question. Let me go to that, students. Let us go to that example. Watch this, everybody. Filter example 4.py. Filter example 4.py. I'll carry this. Here I will carry up to here. Look at mom. Program for filtering positive, positive, positive even numbers from list of numerical values. List of numerical values. 4.py. Enter list of values separated by what? Like this. Try to run this once and then see. Now I'm getting 10. I'm getting minus 20, 24, minus 34, 56, and 13, minus 14, minus 15, and minus 64, 0, 34. Out of that, what I want to filter? Number one, 10 I filter because it's a positive even number. 20 I don't filter. Why? It is a negative even number. Don't want. 24 I will filter. That minus 34 no. 56 I will filter. 13 no. Minus 14 no. Minus 14 no. Minus 15 no. Minus 64 no. 0 no. 34 yes. Understood? Right. Not simply even numbers. Only positive even numbers. How do you do that? Can you filter it? Can you tell me the logic? PS even LST positive even list is equal to, come on, hmm? LST, LST, list of or tuple of converting into list. Next, filter of, filter of, filter will take what? Function name. Lambda function or normal function? Which one? Lambda. What is coming? Value. What should I do? Come on. Value. Greater than. Greater than. No. And good. Good. Value. Percent of 2 equal to. Excellent. Excellent. Keep it up. Anup. Anup. Good boy. Good boy. Anup. Anup Kumar Mohanty. Good boy. Sanup. Anup Kumar. Good boy. Value greater than 0. And what? Value. Percent to 2 is equal to what? 0. Got it. Comma. What should I say? Come on. Comma. What should I say? LST. So this is called anonymous function and this is called iterable object. This is passing to filter. That filtered values I am converting into list kept into this place. Getting or not? Now print what here? Print a list of what is this now? Positive even numbers is equal to dot format of what? PS even list. Try to run this now. Got it. Try to run it. My day. Sorry. I'll go to this place. Try to say 10 minus 20 minus 30, 24 and minus 24, 0, 45 and 67 minus 64 and one more 0 minus 22 and 14. See students, I have these only positive even numbers. Are you able to follow? Positive even numbers. Understood? Yes. Easy or difficult? Easy. Shall we start? Right. Now I'm going to take up. This is the data which is coming out of that positive numbers. If you want to get a negative UN number separately, negative UN number separately, what you will do? Tell me now. Come on. Come on. N ns even list is equal to list of or a tuple of whatever you feel tuple of. Come on, filter of lambda value less than 0 and value percentage 2 is equal to 0 comma what lst. I say here list of negative even numbers. What is this now? ns. So see students, you try to take this input here for my running purpose. I'll take it. So got it. This is my negative numbers. Getting or not? Is it difficult now? Hmm? Is it difficult? Easy. Who will do? Sir will do easy. And you will keep either keyboard will not work or power will go. That's why regular in touch with the subject is important. Online students, are you comfortable, guys? All the students in online, are you comfortable? Okay, guys. Now, open that. Can I give one homework? Will you do? Okay, you will do. Now you will check it out. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will accept list of words. Which will accept list of words. List of words and obtain only palindrome words. Very, very important. Obtain only palindrome words. Obtain only palindrome words. Do you know? List of Python, Madam, Liril, Java, HTML, like that list of words. Out of that, I have to take only what? Palindrome words. Homework or classwork? Homework. You will do homework. 100%. 100%. Okay, good. So, online students, any small doubt is there? If you say classwork means I'll do within 2 minutes classwork. I will do it. It's actually a very good example. You do that. Will you do? Okay. If anybody says, sir, do classwork means I'll ready to type it. Otherwise, I'll move to the further. Shall I move to the further? Hmm. One more, you write it. Yeah, Neha, correct, ma'am. Neha, correct. But word is equal to, you have to write Neha, your answer to be modified like this. You got it, but little change. Like that, you need to do it. Neha. You can also do like this also. You can also do like this also. Colon is equal to like this. You can do it. Like that also you can do. Can you do like that or not? Yes. Now, I do. Open the notes. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will accept list of words. Which will accept list of words. Which will accept list of words. And 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 filter those words. Filter those words. Filter those words which are containing vowels, which are containing at least one vowel, you write, which are containing at least one vowel, which are containing at least one vowel, which are containing at least one vowel. Will you do that? Which are containing at least one vowel. Will you do? What is the logic there? What is the logic there? Apple, apple. In the apple is containing at least one vowel or not? Already this code I said. Already this code I said to you. If anything you wrote, what are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Is it present in that? Yes. Is apple contains A, E, I, O, U? Any one of the alphabet is there or not? And compared to the above program, this is dead easy. Already this code I taught to you. Will you do? Will you do the? Right. Actually, this is very simple. This I explained in ternary operator. Ternary operator I explained this. One more. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will implement the following. Which will implement the following. Which will implement the following. Look at students. Look at mom. Value is equal to see. All of you, please look at all of you. Something like P 2 Y T dollar 1 and H 4 hash O something and say something like 3 N. Write down as it is. Write down that as it is. That means any problem is given how to improve your skill set. That is the concept here. P 2 Y T dollar 1 H 4 hash O star 3 N. Under that you write down obtain. First question obtain. Next line obtain the alphabets. Obtain the alphabets. Obtain the alphabets. Next obtain the special symbols. Obtain the alphabets. Next obtain the special symbols. Next hmm. Next obtain digits. Obtain digits. Hmm. Easy or difficult? Classwork, homework. 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 Classwork. You got fear because everybody said classwork. He think that and all of them look at him backside. He feared a lot. Classwork. Okay, good. So classwork I will do. I will do it in the work. I will do it in the class. Simple students. This see when you feel like that, don't feel complicated. By looking at that, try to put your total knowledge what I explained. See how simple it is. Look at ma. Don't worry. Look at. Now I'm going to take it. Filter example 5.py. Filter example 5.py. There I'm going to take up that thing. You take this case. There I'm writing filter uh, program for obtaining. Program for obtaining. What is this now? Program for obtaining alphabets, comma what? Symbols and what? Digits. Digits. Easy, not a difficult. Tell me now, what I do immediately? Very easily I will do it. First I will convert this into what? List. First I'll convert into list. So it is easy for me to decide. Okay now? Come on. How do I do that now? LST is equal to, even without list also no problem. Without list also no problem. Start with what I want. Alphas is equal to, alphas is equal to, no, come on, list of, filter of, lambda, lambda, ch, colon. We'll write a beautiful logic here. Comma what? Value. What is the value here? Iterable object. String is an iterable object or not? Here, value is an is of type class what? Str is an and is an object of is an object of what? Is iterable object. I can write is iterable object. Is iterable object. Understand? Now I need to write the logic here. Lambda ch. What should I write it? What is my example here? Alpha. What should I write it now? Very good. Ch dot is alpha. Is alpha. That's all. Is alpha. If it is first, what is coming? P. Is alpha? Yes. Get it in alpha. Next value 2 is alpha. No. Neglect it. Next is called y is alpha. Yes. Getting. Getting. Now print here. Print here. Just checking. Print off. Print off. What is this now? Alphas. Try to run this now. Got it. Alphas are coming or not? Alphas are coming. Python is coming. Now, that Python you want to print as Python only. How do you do? How do you do? I'll say, and already I said join method, join function. So, dot what? Join off, dot join off alpha. So, these are all professional coding students, Python. Join function already explained. Joined with what? Some empty string. Okay. Okay. Super. Now I want to get it what? Digits. Digits I want to get it. Come on. What is this now? Tuple off. Filter off. Lambda. CH. Colon. CH dot. Is digit. Is digit. Is digit. Comma what? Value. Beautiful. I'm filtering that. Now print off what? Digits. Digits. What a beautiful example. I got digits. Those digits I want to put it like this. What I do? Dot what? Join of digits. Join of digits. I'll get it. Simple. Those digits you want to put it in sorted order also. They will ask you, take the digits and sort the digits. Sort the digits. What I will do? 2143. Sorting the digits. What I will do? After joining, this is going to be like that. Digits is coming. Dot what? Sorted. Dot sorted. It is a tuple kada. Tuple. I will tell you what? Sorted. Sorted of what? Digits. Sorted of digits. That is becoming what? List. That is going to be joining. See. What a beautiful subject. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2, 1 I want. 4, 3, 2, 1 I want. See that. Colon, colon, minus 1. Colon, colon, minus 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. Once hairstyle is good, any style you can maintain. Once you don't know coding, ring road, bypass road only. Correct? That's why subject style is very important. That's why students always coding, coding, coding. Once you get the job, you can. Nobody will ask you. Once you get the job, coding daily you won't do, but that intelligence is required. Correct? That's why coding knowledge, if it is there, you can get job anywhere. If you don't have coding now, nobody will look at you. Correct. Go to next what? Next, special symbols. Special symbols. Online students is equal to, tell me, come on, list of, filter of, lambda, ch. Tell me, don't hesitate. Speak out. Ch dot is, huh? Correct. Correct. Al. Correct. So you are fearing and he is coming out of it and clearly they want to give to you. So ALNUM, correct. So certain things you have to speak out. ALNUM. You may say, నేను కూడా ఇదే చెప్పాలనుకున్నా సార్ చెప్పేస్తాడు అప్పటికన్నా. You have to express your views. What is this now? Values. That time value. What is this? Is ALNUM? No. I will write what? Not is ALNUM. Not is alien. Suppose if you take it, what are coming? First value coming what? P. Is alien returns what? True. I say not. I say not. Not true. False. Next what is coming? True. Is alien true? Not true means what? False. Next what is coming? YT dollar. YT dollar is coming. Assume. Is alien false? Not false. True. Dollar is coming. Now, come on now. Print what? Symbols. Symbols. Right. Mahalakshmi. Good ma. Good. So see that symbols are coming. So here I'm going to take it. What I do here. What I do here. I say here. Dot what? Join of what? Join of what? Symbols. What a beautiful subject. What a beautiful subject. Got it or not? Like this. So here I'm writing. Here I'm writing. Beautiful subject. So I'm writing given data. I say given data. What is the given data here? I'll write it. Given data is equal to what is this now? Value. Value. Print of what? Come on. Hmm. Alphabets. Alphabets is equal to. I'll write it. No problem. If you want to write it, dot format of what? Dot format of. Come on. Alphas. Alphas. But alphas I want to print what? Like this. Dot join of alphas. Like that. Did you understand? Yes. Next print of what? Digits. Digits is equal to. Digits is equal to. Dot format of. Come on. Generally you will write what? Digits. Digits. But what you want to do? Dot what? Join of what? Digits. Digits. Join of digits. Next is called what? Print of what? Symbols. Special symbols. Special symbols is equal to dot format of what? I say there. Hmm, I say dot what now? Symbols of join. Yes. Join of what? Symbols. Symbols I'm writing it. Symbols I'm writing it. Are you able to follow, students? Right. Getting symbols. Here I am writing like this. Try to run, students. Here I am writing. Got it. All the symbols got it or not? Python. Here I got it. Suppose you want upper alphabet separate, lower alphabet separate, upper alphabet separate, lower alphabet separate. How do you do that? This is an alphas we got it. In the alphas, upper alphabet separate, lower alphabet separate. How do you do it? There only I will write what? And ch dot. So E is upper. E is upper. So that you'll get what? Upper alphabets. Up alphs. Next is called what? If you want, see under that, you let it be. You go to that place. Alphas only you take it. But if you want any full clarity of the subject, if you want what I need, what I need, come on. What is this now? Upper alphas. What should I write it now? And what? Ch dot is upper. Is upper of. Is upper of. Okay. Now I will take it. One more is called what? Lower. Lower. What I do? Lower alphas. So I'm writing is lower. Is lower. There I'm writing. This is alphabets. Under that, I'm writing there. Under that, backslash T. What is this now? Upper alphabets. Join. What is this now? Upper alphas. Upper alphas. Similarly, I'll get it what? Lower alphas. So I'm taking here lower alphabets. What I'm writing now? lower alphas. Try to run. Here I am writing. Got it. Are you able to get it or not? In Python, P small, and this is the data. And if you want, you can say Py H capital I will take and N capital I will take it. Try to run it. I got it. PHN capital YTOs like this. Able to get it? So I will take up. This is my given data. If you want anything you want to read from the keyboard with what? Enter a string with mixed values. Enter a string with mixed values. I will get it. So this is about filter example 7. See how many examples on filter example 5.py. 5.py. Students, if you want generalize this sentence, you can go to the place. Here I am writing filter example 6.py. Very good example. This is copy this. Now I'm going to take a there I will take it. Tell me now, what is that? Come on. Input of enter a word. Enter a word with mixed values. Mixed values. Mixed values means what? Numbers, digits, alphabets. That's all. Try to run. Say I'm writing here py or something like Java 34, Python, something like this. Python, Django, something like 45, and at the rate HTML, and hyphen C plus plus. Now I got it. This is my given data. Alphabets are this one, upper alphabets, lower alphabets, digits, special symbols. Complete. You say here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No digits, nothing. Here I'll say something like apple. So I got it completely lower things. Now I'll say, now I'm saying like this. One number I will enter, one number and other things. One digit, rest of them are nothing like this. Are you following? That's all. You can say this is the coding. With the coding, your life it depends. By learning coding, if you look at outside, you'll feel everybody, they don't know, they don't know, they don't know, you'll feel. If you look at coding and if you go to any industry, you are the diamond for them. Correct? And there lot of people don't know coding. They learn coding subject only. They don't know coding. You take on and average, 75% of the industry students community, if you take it, 75% with your knowledge, you are the best judge student. You are moving in the student community. How many of them know coding? Good coding. Good coding means who need to select in the companies. How much percentage? Your knowledge, your friend circle, everything. How much percentage of the people knows out of 75? Say, debate important students. How much percentage girls? Total, 75, 75. 5, 5%. Online students, did you understand my survey question? Out of 75, why 25% I just removed? IITs, NITs, triple ITs, just remove. In that part, total CSE will not be there now. EC will be there, mechanical will be there. That part if I remove, 12 and a half percentage only you need to take. So that's why getting software job is easy, provided you need to improve your coding. And coding is not a mathematics. Mathematics means it is a difficult. For anybody, mathematics is difficult. For mathematics or also mathematics is difficult. Open secret. Real students, SAR is getting 30 years experience. You give one IIT question to mathematics, sir, he will not do. They won't do it. Do you know that? Do you know that? You don't know. You don't know anything, you know. So that's why students do well. Computer science is easy for you. You will do anything. Correct? Hmm. So that's why practice well. So now I'll stop my class. So 5:30, 10 minutes Saturday na. You also enjoy because many of them are under underground. You also will be under foreground. You also go outside, eat jalebi outside, pani puri, whatever you like it. 10 minutes, discuss about subject, go to home, read the notes, practice well. Okay. Today you need to, every Saturday night, you need to read up to 12 o'clock. Sunday you will not wake up early now. Will you wake up early? You will wake up 12 o'clock, right? Sunday morning. Yeah, 5 o'clock you will have. 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 9. So that's why you habituate one thing. You all of you wake up daily before sun rises. Very good policy. Okay, now tomorrow onwards you do that. For everything you will say like that. Once you get down the steps, you will say many things. Who will listen that? Okay, students, anyhow, you follow me. So Ganesh Babu, if you know answer, if you know answer, Ganesh Babu is saying, if he know answer, he will do infinite number of ways up to the question. Yes, Ganesh Babu. Okay. Okay, ma. Farha now. Thank you, ma. Right, students. I'll stop my class. Try to do. Next class when I come back, Monday, I'll go for which function? Map of I will take it. And this concept also, I'll tell to you and you follow well. Thank you. Good day. All the best. Online students, you hold on. I'll clarify your doubts. Online students, am I audible, students? Online students, any doubts? Filter function takes iterable object only because function filter will repeat money multiple times by taking list of values. That's why list and tuple you can take. I'm typecasting that. I'm typecasting that filter object into list or tuple. You can typecast to set also, but we cannot typecast to dict because it is not containing key comma value pair. Srinu, Michael Srinu. I hope you are understanding. I'm typecasting that. That's why I'm going to do. That I already explained it now. Okay. Any more doubts, students? So here, no doubts are there, students. Okay, guys. I will upload the notes. Please take care and practice it nicely, students. Don't miss on Monday. Okay, guys. Thank you. Happy weekend. Don't miss on Monday. Read well, students. Thank you.